For this project I used double knit weight yarn in grey and purple. My preferred colour is black and purple fuzzy yarn. 3mm crochet hook, fibre fill toy stuffing, keychain fob, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate size is 1.5 by 2 inches. The list of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Round 1. Using grey yarn in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 4. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Round 2. Single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1, 2 times, for a round total of 6 stitches. Round 3. Single crochet 2, single crochet increase 1, 2 times, for a round total of 8 stitches. Round 4. Single crochet 3, single crochet increase 2 times, for a round total of 10 stitches. Round 5. Single crochet 4, single crochet increase 1, 2 times, for a round total of 12 stitches. Round 6. Single crochet 5, single crochet increase 1, 2 times, for a round total of 14 stitches. Round 7. Single crochet 6, single crochet increase 1, 2 times, for a round total of 16 stitches. Round 8. Single crochet 7, single crochet increase 2 times, for a round total of 18 stitches. Round 9. Change to purple yarn, don't fasten off the grey. Single crochet 18, for a round total of 18 stitches. Round 10. Change back to grey yarn. Single crochet 18, for a round total of 18 stitches. Round 11. In the back loop only, single crochet 1 and single crochet decrease 1 6 times for a round total of 12 stitches. Fill with toy stuffing. Round 12. Single crochet decrease 6 times for a round total of 6 stitches. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to fasten off, cut yarn, and sew the hole closed. Sew the final stitch up through the tip of the hat to flatten the bottom, and sew to secure, trimming any loose ends. Round 13. Rejoin grey yarn in any front loop remaining from round 11. Chain 3 and double crochet 1 the same stitch. Double crochet increase each stitch around. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish, for a round total of 36 stitches. Cut yarn, fasten off and sew any loose ends. Add a keychain fob to the tip of your hat and you are done. Make another in black if you wish. Okay, love you, bye.